We'll guide you through how to upload music to YouTube on a phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an Android or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. So let's go and say you've been working on a piece of music or a song, and now you want to go and get it onto YouTube. So for example, I'll come to my files here, and then I've got this here, and I want to go and get this onto YouTube. If you go and open up YouTube, I'll do that now. Then you go and choose your channel in the bottom right and press the plus. Then if I go and press start again here and I select video at the bottom, you go and see I have to upload a video. There's no option for music. So what we need to do is go and add a photo or video to our music, make it into a video, and then we can put it onto YouTube. We'll guide you through this step by step. Open up the App Store or Play Store, press search at the bottom. Then you can go and search for an app called CapCut. This is the video editor we can use. I'll guide you through it so you can go and get it here. Once you've got it, what you want to do is go and open up CapCut like so. Go to the bottom left and press edit and press new video. Now you can go and select a video or photo. I find photos are the best, so you can go and find a photo you want to do it with. Perhaps it's a picture of you, or it could go and be something else. So I'll go and choose this here. Then we can go and press add in the bottom right. What I like to do is go and choose the aspect ratio. So at the bottom, you can go and scroll along, find aspect ratio. A square can go and work well, or you could go and do this 16:9 format and press the tick. Tap the image, you can go and resize it to your liking. I could do it like this. Of course, you can then press the back button in the bottom left, add text and other things. Now, when it comes to adding the music and audio, press audio at the bottom, and you want to then go and press sounds. Go to the right and press the folder icon at the top, and press on device, and press select from device. Your files will go and open up. You can then go and locate it. I'll press recent and go and find it here, but you can search for it at the top. Press open. There it is. Press the plus to the right, and you've now gone and added it. What you want to do is make sure the image or video is the same length. So you can go and drag it to make it longer. That's why I prefer using a image. So you can just hold the endpoint and drag it to your desired length, and there it is. Then you can go and add more, but when you're ready, press export in the top right and wait. You can then come out of CapCut and you want to go and find YouTube. Then you can press the plus at the bottom, press video at the bottom, and then you can go and choose it. Then you can press next in the bottom right. And then what you can do is go and give it a title, choose the visibility and set the audience, and then you can go and press upload.